Operation procedure. How to use the pipette. 1. Holding the pipette correctly. Rest the curved part of the pipette against the base of your index finger while naturally gripping it with the other fingers. This allows you to open tubes with your thumb and index finger at the same time. When using the pipette, press the plunger lightly to the first stop, first resistance point, and release it slowly. Do not press all the way to the second stop to ensure accurate liquid uptake and prevent air bubbles. 2. Adjusting the pipette volume. Gently rotate the dial until the red line aligns with 25 microliters. 3. Attaching the pipette tip. Securely attach the pipette tip by pressing and rotating it gently. Avoid touching the tip to prevent contamination. 4. Aspirating the liquid. Press the plunger to the first stop. Immerse the tip 2 to 3 millimeters below the liquid surface and slowly release the plunger to draw the liquid evenly, preventing bubbles. 5. Dispensing the liquid. Move the pipette tip slightly below the surface of the target container. Press the plunger slowly to the first stop to dispense the liquid. Keep the plunger pressed while removing the pipette. Replace the pipette tip after each use to prevent cross-contamination. Follow these steps for all future pipetting operations. Starting the test. 1. Preparing materials. Before starting, ensure you have the following items ready. TVS Pro 4 Animal Pathogen Analyzers. Magnet. Inside the device box. Consumable pack. Tube 3 Reagent pack. From the freezer. Pipette. Open the consumable pack and take out 2 Tube 1 Yellow. 2 Tube 2 Blue. Test card and sealing film. Swab. Pipette tips. 2. Sample collection and elution. Prepare 1 Tube 1 Yellow and a swab. Open Tube 1. Dip the swab into the stool 2 to 3 times, avoiding large solid particles. Insert the swab into the tube, rotate it 5 to 8 times, then discard it. Close Tube 1 and shake it 3 to 5 times to mix the sample evenly. 3. Sample dilution. Prepare 1 Tube 2 Blue Pipette and pipette tips. Open Tube 1 Yellow and Tube 2 Blue. Attach a pipette tip and aspirate the liquid from Tube 1, preventing bubbles. Dispense the liquid into Tube 2 and discard the pipette tip. Close Tube 2 and shake it 5 to 8 times to mix. Secure the lid on Tube 1 and set it aside. 4. Reagent preparation and loading. Open the test card packaging and take out the test card and sealing film. Prepare 1 magnet, pipette, and pipette tips. Open the reagent pack and take out 1 Tube 3, containing pink freeze-dried reagent. Place the magnet into the middle slot of the test card, ensuring the arrow faces up. Open Tube 2. Attach a new pipette tip and aspirate the sample liquid from Tube 2. Dispense all of it into Tube 3. Keep the plunger pressed while slightly lifting the pipette tip to avoid touching the liquid. Release the plunger slowly, ensuring no liquid is drawn into the tip. Gently stir the liquid with the pipette tip until evenly mixed. Gently touch the bottom of Tube 3 with the pipette tip and aspirate all liquid into the pipette. Ensure the tip is fully filled and free of bubbles. If bubbles appear, dispense the liquid back into Tube 3 and aspirate slowly again until no bubbles remain. Insert the pipette tip vertically into the inlet of the test card and dispense all liquid. Keep the plunger pressed while removing the tip, ensuring no liquid remains. Discard the pipette tip. After sample loading, hold the test card parallel to the table and gently tap it to eliminate any bubbles. Observe from above to ensure no bubbles remain. Apply the sealing film over the sample chamber of the test card, ensuring that all 3 small holes are completely covered. Press down firmly to seal. Each test card can process 2 samples. Complete loading on one side and seal it immediately before proceeding to the other. Repeat the above steps starting from Step 2, sample collection, to complete sample loading and sealing for the other side of the test card. If performing dual testing, ensure that the reagent is added to the correct target sample chamber. 5. Sample testing. Turn on the analyzer and select New Task. Select the test target, then tap Confirm. Following the on-screen instructions, insert the prepared test card into the designated test bay. Push it gently inward and downward until you hear a click sound. The device interface will automatically switch to the test page. Press Start to begin the automatic testing process. Interpreting results. Once the test is complete, the screen will automatically display the result as either P or N. P indicates the presence of the target pathogen. N means no target pathogen detected. After the test is completed, gently lift the test card upward with your fingers and remove it from the bay. The magnet is reusable. After testing, remove it from the test card and store it properly. Used test cards and consumables are single-use items. Please dispose of them properly to prevent contamination.